welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing some more fall Dollar Tree DIYs. I have been trying to do anything that's like super inexpensive and things that are sitting in my craft room because it's nuts in here. It is like, seriously, like it is the worst thing ever right now. Like I look around right now and like I feel trapped inside fall. But you guys, so I went to the dollar store or Dollar Tree and they have tons of Christmas stuff out. And I don't know how I feel about that. Like I love Christmas. I love Christmas shopping. I love watching my kids open gifts. I really enjoy Christmas, I'm not gonna lie. But I enjoy fall decorations way more than Christmas. And they were pushing all the fall decor out the door or whatever was left. Like I had to walk in the store and walk back out because they have like baskets full like right outside their door. Like I should have just pushed the cart towards my car and just left, because that's just obviously how they feel about fall decor right now. They're just done with it because they're getting Christmas stuff in. Mind you, you guys, it's September. We have October, November, December. I don't care, fall can come early for me because we have had some nasty hot, muggy, humid summer. So fall, come to me, because this weekend it is supposed to be the start of something beautiful and fall-y and stuff. But I cannot even imagine doing Christmas DIYs right now when we haven't even gone to the pumpkin patch yet. So you know, you don't go to the pumpkin patch till like October. So you are not going to see any Christmas stuff on my channel. I don't care who is doing Christmas decor. I don't care who is making it. I don't care if I end up copying everybody because everybody took ideas away from me. I don't even care because, one, I don't put anything Christmas in my house until after Thanksgiving because I let fall linger as long as possible. If I could have fall decor up during Christmas time and I could get away with it, like, okay, yeah, I will do that. But okay, there is just my little Dollar Tree Christmas decor ranting. I can't, you know, I couldn't even like look at this stuff. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna jump into my crafts. I haven't done an intro and it seems like forever. So I wanted to do my 5-minute long intro before I actually jump into a craft that's only gonna take 2 minutes and my intro took 10. So we're just gonna get started. Okay, so what you're gonna need is one of these square canvases, one of these carvable pumpkins, if you can find them in your Dollar Tree. These really cute wreaths, these are really nice quality. Some of this garland, and then I'm using this gloss in the sand color. So I painted the canvas with that spray paint, and then now I'm just going over with it in an ivory chalk paint. I use this for every single DIY, and I love how this turned out. I was really impressed. I just didn't really like the way the brown was showing through. I just didn't like the brown at all. So I wanted to kind of lighten it up just a little bit. And then now I'm just going to carve the pumpkin right in half, so I'm splitting it right down the middle. This was actually really easy to cut since these are hollow and there is nothing on the inside. And then this is my go-to chalk paint in this ivory, and then I'm using this color Celery by Waverly, and I just bought these from Walmart. And then I'm just going to paint the pumpkin completely white. I was so undecided on how I was going to do this because I kind of wanted to do like the creases, the green color, and then just leave it white. Well, I guess I don't know how to paint creases in pumpkins, so I ended up just mixing the two colors together and just making it like a solid, like lighter green, and I really liked the way it turned out in the end. And then while I was waiting for all the paint to dry, I wanted to try to get the wreath going, and then I realized that like I didn't like any of the colors of the leaves and stuff like that, but I did make this burlap bow. I learned how to make this on, oh my gosh, I can't even remember. I think it was on Pinterest. I was looking up how to do bow tutorials and how to make different kind of bows. And this is at the part where I realized I hated the pumpkin, I hated the leaves, and I started ripping everything apart. Things just don't always go the way you want it to. I really wanted this like wreath vine on the wreath though, or on the other wreath. Oh my gosh, so many wreaths going on. But I just decided to paint the leaves and mix the two colors together. So I just took the celery color and the ivory color and mixed it on my beautiful board, or my beautiful looking box. And then I just painted all these. I think this turned out so good in the end. I was so happy. I was getting so frustrated because things don't always go as planned, but in the end, for me, it did. And then after I already glued the pumpkin onto the canvas, this is when I repainted it because I just did not like it at all. So yeah, so here I am just painting it that green celery color, and then I'm just taking E6000 and hot glue to put the wreath on, and then it took hours for the leaves to dry. so I had to wait quite a few hours. And then I was just going to place the leaves back on how it was, or sort of how it was, I guess. And I didn't like that either. And then I'm just adding a little piece of stick for the pumpkin stem. I really liked that. And in the end, I only used a few leaves, and then I ended up using cotton at the bottom from cotton stems that I just ripped apart. But that is it for my video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe and make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!